So, the fuel pump is not working. I can't get gas from the gas tank. I just made that little bottle, soda bottle there. And let's see if it's going to work. I want to take the car for a spin since we got the engine to start. Finally, let's try to move it to see if the transmission is good. And yeah, let's see what's going to happen.
No leaks so far, which is okay.
Let's see if this thing turns over.
Choke.
Clicks. I think the battery's dead. Let's try to jump it, man. You have this jumper here. Let's go ahead and do this. Here, another there, this. Nothing is working. Bad news. Very bad news. I have no idea what happened. So the car didn't start. I put a jumper on the battery thinking that it was low or dead, but it wasn't. I tried to check the wires going to the starter, but I couldn't see them, so I had to go from underneath the car and check them out. So I found a little wire coming from the relay to the starter. It was disconnected somehow. I don't know what happened. It was disconnected. I connected it back, and I'm sure it's going to start now, or at least it will crank over. So let's see. Sure it's neutral, and moment of the truth. Yep. Again, let's pull a choke. I have good oil pressure, I think. Just pulling the choke again to give it some throttle. Now let's see if it's gonna move.